G'day, welcome back. No beer tonight, we've got tea instead. Of course, tea's better than any beer there is, so we'll stick to the tea. So tonight I'm going to talk about parts, only because I was looking through my YouTube feed this morning. There's one from Micks Garage, one of my preferred parts suppliers, and it was a feature, well, Micks Garage featured on New Zealand breakfast TV because one of the presenters is trying to fix a window regulator in his car. Got a quote locally, $650. Went to Micks Garage, $160 for the part. So I thought I'd kind of just key you in, show you the parts issues I have here. So here we've got two kind of high street parts places. We've got Repco and Super Cheap. Super Cheap, if you watch Mighty Car Mods, that's one of their sponsors. They do a pretty good deal, big box shifting retail outlet. Got my Super Cheap welder here, so yeah, I buy parts from them, I buy locally. The only thing is, both of those companies are owned by Australians, which kind of puts you off to begin with, joking. And also the cost of everyday items, it's stupidly expensive. So I'm going to run through some of the parts I've bought recently, how much I spent on them from Micks Garage and how much it would have cost me if I bought them here, and then you should see why I kind of buy from Micks. So yeah, I'll zoom in, have a look at the parts, show you what we're talking about. Okay, so we'll start off talking about quality. You'll see all of these filters here are MANN filters. MANN, I don't know if you've ever heard of them or not, but they're a global OEM supplier. We look at this filter here. This is the genuine Ford Motor Company one that came off the Mondeo. You also see down the bottom, it's actually a MANN filter anyway. So it's got a MANN part number PU9003. If you look at my replacement, it's the MANN filter PU9003. So yeah, you can't really question the quality of MANN if it's used in the OEM application. Australia's got its own filter company, Ryco. They seem to make a reasonable quality filter, as best I know. But yeah, the problem is how much you pay for these things. So we'll start with this oil filter here. This is the one for the diesel Mondeo, the 2 litre TDCI 2012. Now, this one available as a Ryco filter, $33.99. These prices are all in New Zealand dollars. I'll put up the conversion rate somewhere here. So $33.99. I paid for Micks Garage $12.94 for arguably a better quality filter. So yeah, that's the saving of $20. Buys a lot of beer. So that's that one. Next one. Go for this one. This is for the oil filter for the 1.8 TDCI Ford Focus. These are really hard to find in the aftermarket. Ryco don't make one. Wicks do make one, which is proved pretty hard to get in the past. So you end up going to Ford. One of these from Ford, or the Ford alternative OEM, genuine, $39. This one here, $12.50. Again, MANN filter, can't argue with the quality. It's a simple cartridge filter, well, canister filter anyway, no problem. Next one, diesel filter for the 1.8 TDCI Focus. Fairly straightforward looking filter there. Again, not available in the aftermarket. But I did buy one of these from Ford a year or so ago, and that cost me $99. The MANN equivalent, it's probably made by the same, probably a man-made filter, $34.20, $34.20, $60 odd cheaper. And we've also got air filter, Mondeo air filter. And again, Aftermarket Ryco, $44. This one here, $17.70. So yeah, as much as I'd like to support local business, well, one, it's Australian business, and two, I can't justify those spending that much more money to get average, not quite as good product. So that's where I'm at with buying stuff. Oh yeah, the other thing, this one here, not available aftermarket. A few other ones, like the Focus air filter. I'll grab one out for you. This one here, the Focus air filter, $80 from Ford, very hard to find in the aftermarket. This one cost me $18.50. These are all delivered prices. So yeah, these are all delivered prices to my door. It takes about a week. I bought enough filters to get free delivery, or enough stuff to get free delivery. If you don't buy enough stuff, delivery is $19.99. Comes by air mail, it's all tracked, turns up. It's too easy. So, as I say, as much as I'd like to just wander down the road to the parts store, buy a filter for $10, it's not going to happen. I've got to buy it get it shipped from Ireland. Takes a week, saves me heaps of money, means I can put more money into the VR6, do cool stuff with that. But yeah, interested to know how much you pay for filters. Not really sure what I've got that you can compare it to. Maybe the one for the VR6, if anyone knows how much that one costs. Probably a bit more common than HU932-6N. Let me know. I'll try and find the price for this one. It was about 12. I think this was $12. They're all CT, $12. But yeah, it's a genuine, it's an OEM quality man filter, made in Germany, top quality stuff. Saves me a small fortune. So yeah, interested to know how much you pay for things like this. I remember back in England when I was buying filters for my diesel Passat, they were about £6 for an oil filter. It's a cartridge filter like that one. £6, that's like 12 New Zealand dollars. That's for a genuine one from the Volkswagen dealer. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.